Hello friends, welcome to Classy Fashion Ideas. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. In this video, I am here with you along with the very delicate, classy and highly attractive and eye-catching designs of embroidered laces. These designs of laces are very soft, lightweight and at the same time gives a very unique and fine touch to your dresses, and you can apply these laces for enhancing the beauty of your dresses, like on your shirts, frocks, tops, short and long kurti. You can apply these laces in a number of ways, like you can make beautiful simple necklines. You can apply them onto the border of your shirts, like on your sleeves, or you can make different type of neckline designs, just like open style, front open, with some sort of different styles of angrakha style patterns and much more according to your choices. And the fabric of these laces is very soft and lightweight, and the fabric includes organza, net, raw silk, lightweight thin layered velvet, tissue and cotton. So apply these laces and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned with us.